Hello everyone and welcome back to sunny California and welcome to the Car Ghost channel. Today, well, first, sorry that I haven't been uploading recently, but since the last drag race that I did in the canyon, there haven't been much to film amongst COVID-19 and me getting adjusted to California. Today is not gonna be a super exciting video. First, we gotta go drop a package at FedEx, then we're going to our mechanic so we can check. We have a little problem with the suspension on the other side of Slate. It's making funny noises, so I just want to get it checked, change the oil, and then we're gonna go somewhere and attempt to try taking pictures of the car, because pictures taken of your car are important, and we'll talk about it when we get there. Okay, let's start the day the right way. Go and get coffee. Did you hear that noise from the suspension? I mean, clank. We need to get it checked. Look at this pretty Jaguar. Gorgeous. So, got some Pete's coffee. Figure out this is the best way to start your day in my neighborhood. Also, that white Jaguar was pretty cool. Not a paid product sponsorship for Pete's Coffee, but hey, holla at you, boy, I love your stuff. We're gonna go drop the package and then we're off to the mechanic. A massive shout out to the rockstar in this FedEx office. He allowed me he taped the package for me because dummy forgot his tape back at home, and he printed my label. So overall, awesome experience so far. Let's go and see Ruben, my mechanic. So we arrived at A&N, arguably the best place to bring your Mercedes in Southern California. Ruben will be changing the oil, and he just listened to the suspension, but I don't think it is a suspension part, but we'll put it up on the lift and see what's going on. So Ruben uses an interesting method to change the oil. He doesn't unscrew the plug from the bottom of the pan. He sucks the oil out of the engine and then puts fresh new one in. Probably better because you don't have to screw and unscrew that little plug bolt, and that elongates its life. So this little thing is gonna suck the oil from the dipstick plug right in there. Ruben's doing the inspection on the bottom of the car, see if anything rattles or is out of place or not connected properly. Can you take this off? Yeah, let's check the one. I gotta tell you, it's awesome to have somebody that knows what they're doing to work on your car. We took everything out of the trunk to hear what that noise is, and Ruben deduced that it's a spring. So we're gonna have another repair bill coming up soon, and another project. Maybe we can lower the car, just an idea, but maybe not. Now we're gonna go and take some photo of the car, and we talk about pictures and why they are important. Just a quick stop at Clucklin Chicken over here in Burbank. This is like the best fried chicken sandwich I've had in a long time. Sorry that I had to tease you like that. Now, on to go take some pictures. So, we got into the Alamito Bay Marina, and right here is Ballast Point Brewery, which is a pretty cool place, but it's not what we're here for. We're gonna take a few pictures of Slate right here. I'm gonna switch the lens of the camera and take a few pictures. I'm gonna post them now, and after that we're gonna end the video, so bear with me. So those were a few cool shots of the car, and it's important to take pictures of your car because if you ever want to get any sponsorship, it would be great to have a nicely done pictures of your car, and it also helps you feel better about your build. Shows you what you've done and gives you ideas of what you want to do to it. Also, nice places like this right here, cool spots I'm still looking for and finding out in California, since I just arrived here about a month, but you know what I mean. Also, the aspect ratio, if you're gonna take videos, pictures of your car for Instagram, do the 5x4 upside down and hold your camera sideways. Like this, your picture is more noticeable because it gets more of the timeline and attracts more attention of the people around. I love landscape photos, but those are for different applications. If you want pictures for Instagram, do the 5x4, attract as much attention as you can, and yeah, stand out. Great to see you today, guys. I know it wasn't too much content in this video, but you know, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.